Okay, so you don't have a CAS and you need to do your assignment, which involves graphing, creating a scatter plot, and finding a line of best fit or a linear regression. Well, if you have Microsoft Excel, you should be able to do this without your CAS. A lot of other spreadsheet programs will be able to do the same thing, but I don't have all the other software programs, so if you don't have Excel, you're going to have to do a little bit of research on your own. But if you do have Excel, follow this video and this will make it real easy for you to be able to create a scatter plot and find the line of regression. All you do is you start out by typing in your numbers. You want to make sure that you label your columns, whether it's X or Y, or if you give it a name. It doesn't matter, but you do need to label your columns just like you would if you had a CAS. Once you have your data typed in that you're going to need to create a scatter plot for, select that data. And if you go to, at the top of your screen here, if you go to Insert, and we're going to insert a scatter plot. Now when you click on that, there's some different options here. We don't want to connect these points. We want just a general scatter plot, which is the very first option. Now if you notice, it creates a scatter plot here, but it doesn't give us our linear regression. So what we're going to do is we are going to go and where it says Chart Layouts up here, we can scroll down where we want to keep going until we find this one right here. Notice how it looks like a little icon with a line going through some points, but more importantly it has this f of x up there, because if you go to the first one that we have up here, that's just going to give you the line of best fit, but it doesn't tell you what the equation is. So now what you have to do is use this one instead, and that actually gives you the equation for the line of best fit there. So for this one, and you can drag it and move it if you need to see it, but it's going to be y equals 1.4286 or 1.43x plus 11.67. Now this r squared equals 0.908. That's not something that you need. That's something that you use later on in FST or in your statistics class next year. But yeah, that's a pretty easy process to be able to create a scatter plot and line of best fit using Excel. So hopefully this will help you with your assignment.